AJ has 6 boxes with 8 books in each box. He puts the books on shelves with 4 books on each shelf. How many shelves will AJ fill with books? Our question is asking us how many shelves AJ is going to be filling. So I need to figure out how many shelves, right? That's what we're ultimately looking for. But the first bit of information it tells us is 6 boxes with 8 books in each box. So it doesn't even say anything about shelves. So how many steps do you think this problem is going to have? We know how many boxes of books we have, and we know how many books go on each shelf. We don't know how many total books, and we don't know how many total shelves. It's going to be a 2-step problem. So first of all, let's solve our first step. So we know we've got 6 boxes with 8 books in each box. So I know we've got 6 boxes. I'm going to draw 6 circles. Drawing my 6 circles. I'm going to move that circle over. 6 circles, and I know there's going to be 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Got my 8 books in each box. Now, I'm going to need to figure out how many books I've got total, right? So I think I might just go ahead and skip count. So I'm just going to skip count down below. So I've got 8, 16, 24, 24, 32. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 so far. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just making sure I'm on track. I'm not counting too many times. Then I'm going to have 40. It's my 5th one, and 48 is my last one. Notice how I'm checking off each circle each group I'm counting as I count each skip count. So I've got my 6 skip counted groups of 8, and I've got 48 total books, right? 48 books. We always like to label. Got my 48 books, so I know how many I've got. Now we know we need to put them on shelves, right? And it says there's going to be 4 books on a shelf. So I'm just going to draw a little picture here. There's my shelf. I'm going to put a book here, a book here, a book here, a book here. This just helps me picture what I'm going to be doing. So I know our total, we have 48, right? And so I just subtracted 4 of those. So I draw my picture. I'm going to tie it to some math on the side. So this picture right here is like me saying I'm taking 4 of those books out of my 48. So 8 minus 4 is going to be 4, 44. So I've got 44 books left. I'm going to draw another picture of shelf. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to tie that over here to another math problem because I've just taken away 4 more books. 4 minus 4 is 0. I've got 40 books left. What does this make you think of? You see how I've subtracted twice now? What operation is that? Is that multiplication, or is that going to be division? I think it's going to be division because repeated subtraction is related to division, just like repeated addition is related to multiplication. There's lovely, lovely patterns in math. So I'm going to take my, whoopsies. I'm going to just, to remind myself, I know I've got 4 and 48. I know 48 is my total, and I guess 4, would that be groups or would that be in each? Because I don't know, we're grouping them, but do I only have 4 groups? No, I have 4 in each group, right? So I've got 4 in each group, I've got 48 total. So here we go. I know it's going to be division. So I'm going to skip count by 4s until I get to 48. That's a popular one we all like to do. So I'm going to start with 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. How many do I have total? How many groups? Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 12 groups. 12 is our answer for this problem. Now I'm going to check my work. I'm going to think about what I can do to check it. So I know my 4 facts pretty well. I just showed that on this slide right here. I showed I know how to multiply by 4s because I skip counted. And skip counting, remember, is basically like you're doing multiplication. So let's take a deeper look at this one. So I know this 4 times 10 is going to be 40. So 48 is only like 2 more groups of 4s, right? So couldn't I just add 10 plus 2, and that would get me my answer of 12? Absolutely. If you think about all of these tricks, you can make your work much easier for you, because you know that